In this video, we will show you how to book a UK practical driving test. To book your UK practical driving test, you can select from various test types including for cars, motorcycles, lorries, buses, coaches, or approved driving instruction ADI Part 2 and 3 test. When you begin the booking process, you'll be placed in a queue and the system will inform you of the expected wait time. This is quicker than booking by phone as phone lines tend to be busy. You can book your test up to 24 weeks in advance, but note that there is no waiting or cancellation list. To complete the booking, you'll need your UK driving license number, a credit or debit card for payment, and your driving instructor's personal reference number if you wish to check their availability. You can also check the cost of your test before beginning the booking process. Additionally, make sure you've lived in England, Wales, or Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before your test date. Once you have all the required information, you can proceed to book the test. So that's how to book a UK practical driving test. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.